What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2026 Acura Integra A-Spec Tech. So 2 days ago I uploaded a video on the Integra Type S. Yesterday I uploaded a video on the Integra A-Spec, and I told you I'll get a video on the A-Spec Tech. So the A-Spec Tech is the highest trim level before the Type S, and it is probably the most popular overall trim level because of all the features it gives. This vehicle will give you the bigger screen than you'll find in the Integra Type S, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. You have a head-up display, heated seats, wireless charging tray, nice resolution reverse camera, digital gauge cluster. You also have paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. The A-Spec Tech will give you the ELS Studio 3D sound system as an upgrade over the A-Spec, which will just give you the Acura 8-speaker sound system. And you have some new trim, as I mentioned in the A-Spec video yesterday on the 2026 Integra. And new for 2026 in the A-Spec Tech, there's no longer micro suede. The seats look like they do in the 80X, where you have the blue on the Orchid, you have the blue contrast, which looks really nice. I like this a lot better than the micro suede. You also have ultra suede inserts in the center of the seat. I think it looks really cool. Definitely an upgrade over how the seats looked before. You also have the A-Spec badge here and the white stitching with the Orchid interior. The A-Spec Tech also gives you the individual mode: sport, normal, comfort modes. And you can turn off your idle stop right here. Here's your center console. It's like really narrow. Like, I wish it was a little bit bigger, but you can fit a lot of stuff in there, luckily. But the cup holders are a very nice size. You can fit big drinks in there, so that's good. I like how the cup holders look and the space that they provide. But let's walk around this Integra A-Spec Tech. And the Integra A-Spec Tech comes with a CVT, but you can also get a manual transmission. Only the A-Spec Tech and the Type S are available with the manual transmission. The Type S only comes with the manual, by the way. And the A-Spec Tech also gives you the remote start on the key fob, which is really nice. So the Integra is A-Spec Tech's very popular because of all the features it provides. It's a very value-packed car. Plus, new for 2026, double Apex Blue Pearl is a color that was not available before. The A-Spec and A-Spec Tech now have gloss black wheels, and you also have black ground effects kit and side skirts. And this one also has the color match grille as an option. You can get the color match grille. It normally comes with black, but you can get it like this if you prefer. I prefer the black grille personally, but if you like this color match grille, you can definitely opt for that. Here are the rear seats. You also have USB-C charging ports back there, no AC vents. Here's the trunk, A-Spec rear cargo mat, ELS Studio 3D speaker back there. You also have a gloss black spoiler, dual outlet exhaust. 2026 Integra A-Spec Tech, double Apex Blue Pearl on Orchid. 200 horsepower, 1.5 liter direct injected 4-cylinder engine with a CVT, paddle shifters, integrated dynamic system. And you also get all the Acura Watch safety features. Forgot to mention that: adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, forward collision warning, lane departure, lane keep assist, road departure, and traffic jam assist. Double Apex Blue Pearl is a $600 option. Total vehicle price is $40,995. Fuel economy is 32 miles per gallon combined, 29 city, 37 highway. You also have capless fuel filling system. 87 is minimum, but 90 premium fuel is recommended, and I definitely recommend the premium fuel. Acuras run better on premium fuel. You will definitely notice a difference if you use regular fuel. The car feels very sluggish, and fuel economy will be hindered. So I think regular premium fuel is definitely the way to go. But if you are ever in a pinch and can't get premium fuel, can only get regular, you don't have to worry about using that. I like the changes Acura made with the A-Spec and A-Spec Tech. The exterior looks a lot better with the ground effects kit and gloss black wheels and all that good stuff. And the interior, I like this trim a lot better, and I like the seats a lot better. They drive the same as they did in the pre-facelift or refresh. It's not a face, or the mid-cycle refresh. Drives well. And the Integra, as I mentioned in all my videos on the Integra, I like the steering a lot. They steer very well, very nice, firm responsiveness, and the suspension's really good too. It's a really great daily driver. And as I said, it's very value packed. The reason why it's very popular with young buyers, or just buyers in general, is because it's a very stylish vehicle with a lot of great options at an affordable price point, and you have great fuel economy. It is essentially the luxury Civic. So you have better touch materials in here and better styling. I think this looks better than the Civic. As I believe it should. So yeah, since it's a CVT, the paddle shifters will mimic gear shifts. And this is one of the Honda CVTs, are one of the better ones that are in the automotive industry. I like Hondas and Subaru CVTs better than CVTs in some other brands. And the Integra is the only Acura that has a CVT, or actually the ADX has a CVT as well. But I like how Acura integrated these new styling elements in the interior for it to match the ZD or ADX. With like the contrast seats, blue and white. I think that's really good. I noticed more changes in the A-Spec and A-Spec Tech. I think the Integra Type S looked pretty much the same. I didn't see any difference personally, except the colors. I made a video on an Urban Gray Pearl Type S the other day. As I said, that one, I don't know if you guys saw that video, but that one, that's a new color for 2026 as well. Urban Gray Pearl is also offered on the A-Spec and A-Spec Tech. But I think buyers on the Integra are going to be very happy with these little changes. And the car is still as great as it has been. It's a very hot seller for Acura, which makes a lot of sense. You could also put it in the sport mode on the with the gear shifter too. I guess that'll just increase the throttle response a little bit. The gauges are blue in comfort, white in normal, and red in sport. I know a lot of people who said that they road trip this car and they get great fuel economy. I'm telling you, I think it's, for like a college student or a younger person, this car is great. It's just a really nice car. Like, it does everything you need it to, and even the hatchback, you have so much practicality for being a small car. You can fit a lot of stuff in the trunk, and I think the hatchback is a great thing Acura did by not making it a regular trunk on a sedan. Like, this replaces the Acura ILX, which had a pretty small trunk, but the Integra is based off like the Civic hatch, and it looks a lot better than the Civic hatch. Like, the Integra doesn't even really look like a hatchback, it just looks like a sedan. So overall, it's just a really, really nice option. And so I need to get videos on the manual transmission A-Spec Tech and the base model. I don't know if there's still a base model, but if there is, I'm going to make a video on that. I'm pretty sure there is. But overall, very nice Integra A-Spec Tech. So to go over the changes once again, new colors, new seats with ultra suede, gloss black wheels on the exterior, interior trim pieces are different, which is it's a lot nicer than it was before, and the ground effects kit on the A-Spec and A-Spec Tech. But great car. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own new or certified pre-owned Acura Integra.